This looks all nice and dry now. I'm going to get ready to sand this, but before I sand it, I want to put some masking tape over this. I don't want to get dust. Find dust particles all in my thermostat if I can help it. I'm just using blue tape. You can use regular masking tape if you want. You know, but I can just kind of wrap this around. I'll make sure I keep it off the wall, but I put it in such a way to where I can cover all this. Guess I can just wrap this edge like this first, eh? That. You know, it's all, you ever heard it's all in the prep work? You know, anybody can put stuff on the wall, but it's prepping it properly and spending a little bit of time on your project. See, now I can just kind of wrap this around top of that. Looks like dust will kind of get in through the top, so I better put another piece there. Hey, at this point, masking tape is cheap for your project, you know? Use it, that's what it's there for. I know this takes a little bit longer for your job, but you're gonna keep the dust out of there. That's what we want. We don't want to just go in there slapdash, thank you ma'am, and get dust everywhere. Oh, I'll just wipe that off, I'll just blow that off. Yeah, you could, but you want to mess around with your thermostat later because you've got some dust all in the little computer components or drip down through the back and all that. I don't. It'd be easy enough to take this back off. I'm going to pull this tape off when I get done, but if you were to leave this on here for 2 or 3 days, let's say, you got to use the blue tape. If you use the regular masking tape, it could get all sticky when you pull it back off. Then you've got to clean everything off. And don't fool yourself and think you can keep this blue tape on there for weeks on end, because you may have a problem with that too. So I only like to put that on and leave it on for short periods of time. Be safe rather than sorry.